My name is Heidi. This is a spoken word raw audio sample of the Neumann TLM 103 plugged into the SSL2 with a Mogami XLR cable. My gain is set at about 2 o'clock. The interface is plugged into my Lenovo IdeaPad 530S, and I am recording in Audacity. The microphone is directly in front of my mouth, about 7 inches away, with a nylon pop screen about 2 inches from the mic and 5 inches from my mouth. The microphone is situated inside of my reach-in closet with a half PVC blanket booth above and behind me. I record primarily character voice work for animation and video games. You can find me on Twitter at HeidiTabbingVA.